Yes, it was a midweek blip across the region today. Despite that cloudy start and always feeling quite chilly along the coastline, we did have a little bit of sunshine late morning into the afternoon, but soon clouding over again from that northeasterly direction, dragging in the moisture off the North Sea. But the high pressure sinks southwards and we start to improve tomorrow through into Friday. But you can see rain-bearing fronts lining up from the northwest as we head closer towards the weekend. And it does look like becoming at least more changeable Sunday onwards into next week, but still with some sunny spells in between. So overnight tonight, we just look out to east, to the North Sea, for all that cloud working its way further westwards, and quite a lot of areas will see quite a cloudy night. So it's western fringes getting the clear skies, the touch of frost and one or two mist patches by dawn. Otherwise, we're just above freezing. Cool enough start as we head into tomorrow, but we are expecting quite a bit more clouds. 6:19 and 7:58 are your sun times as we head into Thursday. So tomorrow, don't be too disappointed with the cloud first thing. We're expecting it to melt away and retreat to the south and east, so increasing amounts of sunshine even out towards the coast as we head into the afternoon. For all, it's a warmer day. Inland 18s and 19s, but even at the coast mid to high teens, so feeling much more pleasant with an offshore breeze. As we head through into tomorrow night, clear skies and a much better day as we head into Friday. It's looking very likely it will be our warmest day of the year so far, even out towards the coast, high teens and possibly inland 21 Celsius. Make the most of it if you can. From Sunday, definitely more changeable. Yes, today was just a midweek blip. Quite a bit of cloud around, certainly to start this morning, even a touch of frost under the clearer skies with some low-lying mist and fog. And then we saw some brief spells of sunshine in places before we looked to the northeast, and that northeasterly flow dragging in quite a bit of cloud again for the afternoon and evening. The high pressure does settle things down over the next couple of days before we look to the northwest for fronts lining up, producing a changeable story from Sunday onwards into next week. There'll be some sunshine in between, but definitely breezy conditions and showery conditions at times. In the meantime, overnight tonight, it's a mostly dry night for most of us, but we have got that northeasterly dragging in all that moisture off the North Sea and creating quite a cloudy picture for much of the night. Could be some light rain and drizzle around the Wash, for example, first thing in the morning. Nothing too significant, but certainly maybe feeling it as we head through into the first part of tomorrow towards dawn. Temperature-wise, 4 to 6 Celsius for most of us. Yes, could be a cloudy, a murky and a damp feel to things first thing, 6:15 and 7:53, but it is an improving story tomorrow from the north and west. And as we see the sunshine start to develop, the temperatures will certainly pop up. And even out towards the coast, especially north of the Humber on our Yorkshire coastline, the temperatures will be mid to high teens, inland 18 or 19. But where the cloud could struggle, and I say could, around the Wash, we're still looking at mid-teens, which is still above the average by a good 3 or 4 degrees. A clear night to come for tomorrow night, and as we head into Thursday, it's looking like the warmest day of the year so far. Stays settled on Saturday, more changeable from Sunday.